Hello and welcome back to Tech Express. Today we're diving into the world of the e-commerce marketing. Whether you are a seasoned Shopify store owner or just starting out, you'll find valuable insights on creating effective marketing campaigns. So let's boost those sales. So first of all here, every successful marketing campaign begins with understanding your audience. Who are they? What do they need? What motivates their buying decisions, for example. So you make sure, first of all, that you have an actual accurate needs in order to figure out what are the actual potential customers here. So first of all, if you have already an actual store, then what you can do is to go directly into your Shopify store and go into your analytics. So here into your analytics, you can see that you have the total sales, the average order value, the total orders, top selling products, sales attributed to marketing, seasons by location, seasons by device type here, seasons by traffic sources. So you can figure out what is the actual audience who are willing to buy your products. If you're just getting started, what you can do is to make like a research of what you are willing to sell. For example, let's say that I wanted to go for drop shipping. So here into drop shipping, let's say that I wanted to sell some slippers. I wanted to sell some home decor. I wanted to sell, I don't know, some Christmas stuff. So when I check out what I can sell here into my actual store, I can check it out what kind of people are willing to buy these products. And to do that, I used Google Trends, for example. I can go here into googletrends.com section and I can check it out, for example, some Christmas home decor. So for example, I go here to explore. I go for Christmas home decor and I have this search term. And instead of going for Mexico, you go for worldwide from the past 90 days. All keywords and were searched. So that means that the people who are willing to buy products are really interested in this kind of products are people from United States, United Kingdom, and Canada. So I can scroll a little bit down and you can see that I have more information about it. For example, the region, related topics, related inquiries, and much more. The great part of this, the amazing part of this is that this one actually is totally for free, so I don't need it to pay absolutely for any kind of Google Trends. So with that information, I can now figure out what is the amount of kind of audience that are willing to buy my products. Now, setting up some clear objectives. So what you want to do is to define what you want to achieve with your campaign. Is it more website traffic? Is it increased sales? Or there's some just want brand awareness? So what I can do is to check out some smart goals for different campaign types. And what I can do is to look out once again for the library ad of Facebook. And this one is going to be showing you some ad library section. Now, this ad library is going to be helping you to figure out, to have like an actual idea of what can you do in your niche, in your actual branding to do something like it. Speaking about some ads and marketing research. For example, here let's go for United States. Let's go for something related into all ads. And here let's go for home decor. And I have related searches, home decorate. Open it and check out here. I have a lot of people who are willing to do some kind of stuff. For example, Christmas decor, Bonding Beach sponsored. So I go here to see ad details and check out what they're actually doing here. Let our team, our professional decor your home this holiday. We provided whatever here. Check out what they're actually doing. Check out the actual platforms that they're advertising here. Check out the advertiser. I'm going to close this and you can look out for more information. For example, design, home, pipe decor. Let's go here into home and I'm going to try to be a little bit more specific. Let's go for Christmas. Which is bring us to the choosing the right channels. Where does your audience spend their time? Facebook, Instagram, email, Google Ads. Choose channels that align with your audience habit. Again, if you don't know anything about your audience, you can try out more ideas there. For example, maybe that information is not available here into Google Trends, maybe it's not available into the ads library of Meta, but what you can do is to make your research, for example, here into Facebook. You can do your research into Instagram, you can do your research into TikTok, for example, and figure out whether your actual audience are willing to buy or willing to be more interested into what you're actually selling inside your actual products. If you're making some drop shippings, you can check it out, the actual prices, you can see what is the best for you, for your company, whatever. So lastly, you have the budgeting and the resources. Now, allocate your budget based on campaigns, objectives, and expecting ROI. So don't forget to factor in creative and operational costs. Speaking about marketing budget, let's say for example that I'm willing to sell these products. Speaking about only drop shipping, that means that what I can do is to invest a little bit more into my marketing campaigns. If I already have some products, if I have to pay for the shipping cost, if I have to pay for discounts and whatever, maybe I can a little bit small, I can make more smaller my budget for marketing strategies ads, and I can make the compensation between both of them. Once everything is set, you can launch your campaign, but the work does not stop there. So you have to make the execution and the monitoring. If I go into the Meta Business Suite, this is a tool granted by Facebook.com on the actual now Meta. So what you can do is to go here into your ads manager, and here into your ads manager, when you run an actual ad, you can get started to track what is going on with your actual ads. So here you can choose your goal, get started with some automated ads, get more website visitors, boost the Facebook content, get more messages, promote your page, or to get more leads. So that is totally optional with you guys. You can check it out which one fits with you the best. And here what you can do is to get started with the description, the button label, the website, embed creative, special ad category, choose your specific audience, schedule the duration. Here is your daily budget, something that we just talked about a few minutes earlier. The placement is really important. If you once again don't know anything about your audience, I can totally suggest you to enable the 3 of them so you can figure it out later on which is working the best for you. So this is the part where you wanted to analyze everything after your campaign ends. It's crucial to analyze the results, what actually worked, what didn't, why. Check out the data analytics, some insights of them, so you can emphasize the value of continuous learning and improvement. Really important to check out what it doesn't go well, so you can implement a few results into the next ad or into the next sales there. So there you have it, guys. Check out all the actual tools that we chose, check out all the elements that we saw into making some marketing research. All of these tools that I just gave you are totally for free, which is not going to be hurting to check out the ad details, the Google Trends section, the meta ads variations, so you can try to do the most out of it, your actual store. So with that being said, guys, once again, we have now reached the very end of the video. Thank you so much for watching the Tech Express. Keep tuning in for more insight to drive your business forward in them. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you wanted to see more great tools into Shopify. Hopefully we can all see you next time.